Hello everyone, so in today's video I just want to show you how I am turning off my home lab and how you can also do it. I have a mixed environment, Windows and Linux, and I will use a single playbook because that works just fine, and we can shut down everything here very easily and very quickly. Yeah, let's just do it. So for the Windows systems, I have a user that is present on all of them. It's user 01. I will use this one to power off the Linux machines, and for Windows we will use the domain admin that will turn them off one by one. And the last part, because I want that the AD01 is my domain controller, that needs to be turned off, the last one. Okay, so let's do it. Ansible playbook, and it's number 5, and just ask Vault. Yes. Okay, let's give it the password, and it should go through all the VMs, and everything that finds on it should power off. Let's see if it finds all of them. Maybe the NFS will not be turned off. User 01. Yeah, I need to check him out. But everything else will be turned off, and also the last one, the domain controller. Yeah, I need to check. I don't remember if I've put user 01 in the wheel group. Maybe I did forget to do that. Yeah, let's just can also shut it down from here. And the last thing that we need to do is to turn off the Ansible machine. Okay, so this was it. The playbook, it's pretty straightforward. And yeah, you just need to watch out that you do not shut down the your domain controller before anything else. This is important because the DNS is also present on the domain controller in my case, and you will rely on the DNS to also resolve the Linux machines, not only the Windows machines. Okay, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you liked this type of video.